Have you ever thought about why when we feel hungry our stomach starts making those good sounds? What do these sounds actually mean? Look inside our body, things do not move from one place to another in a simple way. Instead they move through contractions like squeezing or pressure movements that push things forward. The sound you hear comes from the movement of our stomach and intestines. These sounds are actually produced throughout the day, almost 24 hours. But when our stomach is full of food, the food suppresses these sounds, so we do not really hear them. When the stomach is empty, there is nothing inside except air and liquid. So when the stomach and intestines are clearing out the leftover material, these movements sometimes create noise. And because the stomach is empty, the sound becomes much louder to our ears. Sometimes the sound is so strong that you cannot even tell whether it came from our stomach or somewhere else. If this video amazed you, don't forget to like and subscribe.